We really can't say for sure that we only need to design a product for a single platform in today's world. Usually, a matured product line requires to have apps for your computer, tablet, phone, or even Apple Watches. How do you ensure a streamlined experience for your valuable users? First, you need to offer the same features on app and desktop versions. The increase in mobile traffic means that people will be expecting the same features on mobile as they can find on the desktops. Being unable to access these features lead to user frustration and ultimately business loss. Second, you might need to use notifications wisely. Pop-ups and notifications nudge users to re-enter the app and engage with the content. Still, you must consider the frequency and timing of these push notifications to reduce user fatigue and irritation. Last but not the least, you will need to optimize your app for poor connectivity. Many emerging markets do not have high-quality telecommunication infrastructure, and the occasional disruption of service may happen. Tell your users what to do in an event of connection issue so they don't lose the trust in your app. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.